Hi, friends. It's time for small group, and today we're going to talk about print concepts, and that is the different types of skills that we use when we are reading, okay? And Miss Charles, I wrote a book for us to read. It's called Our Friendship Book. And if you notice, you will see your name in our story. And I want you to help me read along, okay? So I'm going to show you my screen now, and Miss Charles is going to start reading. Our Friendship Book. This is the title. And if you look here, you see my little mouse moving around. That's called a cursor. That is what you will help. That's what I would use to touch each word. Okay. So Our Friendship Book. Here's a nice rainbow. Aiden is my friend. Allison is my friend. Anthony is my friend. Their names begin with A. Beulah is my friend. Her name begins with B. Dewan is my friend. His name begins with D. I hope you're helping me read and touch each word as Miss Charles reads, okay? Edwin is my friend. His name begins with E. Grace is my friend. Her name begins with G. Ian is my friend. His name begins with I. Jet is my friend. Johan is my friend. Jose is my friend. Their names begin with J. Kareem is my friend. Kingston is my friend. Their names begin with K. Landon is my friend. His name begins with L. Nahum is my friend. Nina is my friend. Noah is my friend. Their names begin with N. Sophia is my friend. Her name begins with S. Miss Charles is my teacher. Her name begins with C. Miss McNair is my teacher. Her name begins with M. We have 18 friends and 2 teachers in our class. Our class is the best. The end. All right, friends, we're going to go back up to the top of our book, okay? And I want you to point to the title. Where is the title? Very good. This is the title, Our Friendship Book. Kiss your brains. Excellent. Now, tell me, where should we start reading this sentence? Aiden is my friend. Where should we start? Can you point to it? Yes, we start right here at the A. And which way do we read? We read from left to right. Very good. And I want you to show me where it says Aiden is my friend. So I'm going to highlight the whole sentence with my mouse because this all says Aiden is my friend. And this is a sentence, and a sentence has words that make up a phrase. So these words, Aiden is a word, is a word, my is a word, and friend is a word. But when you read it all together, it makes a sentence. Aiden is my friend. Friend, do you remember what a small word is? A small word has 1, 2, or 3 letters. Let's find a small word in this sentence. Oh, here's a small word. The word is a small word. Oh, I see another one. The word my is a small word. Do you see a big word? A big word has 4 or more letters. So let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 letters. So guess what, friends? This is a big word. Very good, very good. Okay, let's look at this sentence. Allison is my friend. Now you show Miss Charles where you start reading. Where do we start reading? Very good, right there. Which way do we read? From left to right. Excellent. Can you show me a space in this sentence? Where's the space? I see a space here. I see a space here. And I see a space here. Good job. Do you see a small word? Where's a small word in this sentence? Oh, I see a small word right here. Is. Very good. Do you see a big word? Yes, again, we know that friend is a big word. We also know that Allison is a big word because Allison has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters in her name. Wow, that's a lot. And friends, as I look at these 2 sentences right here, do you see 2 words that are the same? I see a lot of words that are the same. I see friend and friend. Those are the same. Look, friend and friend. They're both spelled F-R-I-E-N-D, F-R-I-E-N-D. My, M-Y, my, M-Y. Those words are the same. Is, I-S, is, I-S. Those words are the same. What about Aiden and Allison? Are those the same? No, those are different. Very good. All right, friends. So if you want, you can watch this video again and you can read the book all by yourself, okay? And I'll see you in story time. Bye.